Why is my Android slow? 5 ways to troubleshoot your phone. Number 1. Restart your phone. It's a good idea to restart your phone at least once weekly. Number 2. Free up storage space. Number 3. Uninstall unused Android apps. You can clear individual app caches if you don't want to remove applications. Here's how to clear an app cache. Number 4. Change the system animation speed. Changing the system animation speed on your Android phone won't speed it up, but it will create a perception of your device performing faster. This feeling of improved system performance is due to a reduced animation delay, causing graphics sequences to finish quicker. Number 5. Update to the latest software. If your phone feels sluggish, check for available updates. Google optimizes Android with every new release. Most manufacturers do the same for their software skins. So, upgrading to the latest Android version can free up system resources on your device, which could help with faster uploading times and improve system smoothness.